Hey everyone, and welcome to Histories of Airliners. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane to explore the fascinating history of a very special aircraft, the VARIG Boeing 747, registered as Papa-Victor November Alpha. This aircraft ended up not being your average jumbo jet. Buckle up as we unveil the unique story of this aircraft, from its beginnings to its flirting with movie stardom. This airliner's story starts in the 1980s. Fresh off the Boeing production line at the Everett, Washington production facility, it was originally destined for Libyan Arab Airlines, but due to political sanctions, the delivery never happened. This twist of fate sent our 747 on a different path. Our featured aircraft found its first home with VARIG in Brazil in 1982. Flying passenger routes under the registration of Papa-Victor November Alpha. During the 1980s and into the 1990s, this aircraft continued being a workhorse for VARIG, flying passengers in and around the South American continent. During 1993 and 1994, this aircraft flew with Aerolíneas Argentinas on a lease from VARIG, before being returned to VARIG. In the mid-1990s, this aircraft underwent a conversion to become a dedicated cargo freighter, joining Air Hong Kong's fleet with the registration of Victor Romeo-Hotel Mike Delta. Air Hong Kong is a dedicated air cargo airline under the ownership of Cathay Pacific. From 1996 to 2009, this aircraft flew cargo under the liveries of both Air Hong Kong and Cathay Pacific Cargo, transporting countless tons of cargo across the globe. This aircraft wasn't just a workhorse, it was a familiar sight at airports worldwide, its presence a testament to Cathay Pacific's extensive cargo network. By 2009, this mighty aircraft had reached the end of its operational life. It was retired from service and eventually found itself parked in the Mojave Desert in California at the Victorville, California Boneyard. But this aircraft wasn't quite ready for its final curtain call. In 2019, it enjoyed a brief moment back in the spotlight, Hollywood came calling, and our featured aircraft received a special paint job to appear in a Christopher Nolan film, Tenet. As the story goes, the director, Christopher Nolan, and his production crew were scouting sites for filming when they came upon this aircraft. It was repainted in a false livery of a non-existent cargo freighter company. The building it was crashed into was built along with other details of this aircraft's big scene. In the end, it cost less to buy the aircraft and build all the sets and crash said aircraft than it would have been to create the entire scene with computer graphics. This aircraft story is a reminder of the incredible journeys these magnificent machines make, from its unexpected beginnings to its service with multiple airlines and a surprise Hollywood appearance. This aircraft's legacy lives on. So, what are your favorite memories and moments of the Boeing 747? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the skies with our featured aircraft. As we continue through history, reminders of our past give us glimpses into the future. For those of us that consider ourselves aviation geeks, every airplane has a story that connects us all. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more aviation content. In the comments below, let us know what you think of the video. Check out our links at the end for more Boeing 747 related videos. And if you wish, you can support us on Patreon or become a member of my YouTube channel by joining the channel's Coach Class membership level. Being either a Patreon or YouTube channel member allows you the benefits of early viewing of new videos, and you will help to get to choose the next video. Patreon and YouTube channel membership allows greater support for this channel that will allow me to make improvements to this channel, as I would like to transition from using pictures on the internet to something more video based. Thank you all for your support.